In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Waze to get real-time traffic alerts, police reports, or smarter navigation in your... In today's video, we are going to show you how to get Waze on your Android Auto. Waze is one of the best apps you can use in your car if you want real-time traffic alerts, police reports, or smarter navigation. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, make sure you have everything that you need, especially an Android phone running Android 8.0 or higher. Of course, you need to go to the Google Play Store, search for Waze, and you want to make sure that you install the latest version so that you will have the newest feature. Click the open. Here, you need to connect your phone to your car. You can use a USB cable or connect wirelessly if your car supports it. Android Auto should launch automatically on your car's screen. Now, on your car display, look for the navigation icon. Tap it, and you will see available navigation apps and select Waze. If you don't see it right away, go to Android Auto settings on your phone, tap Customize Launcher, make sure your Waze is enabled. And of course, you just have to enter the destinations using voice or touch. You can get live traffic updates, receive alerts for hazards, accidents, and speed traps. And basically, that's how you get Waze on Android Auto. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.